have here some Japanese chuhai. This one is sochu. This one is also chuhai. And this one is also sochu. Sochu oolong tea. Sochu green tea. Then this is chuhai lemon and chuhai peach. So, what am I going to do today in this episode? In this episode, titikman natin itong mga to. Let's see what happens. Anong gusto mong unahin?
The peach.
This is the peach one. Chuhai peach flavor. Ito unahin natin. Okay?
Sige, English.
Ayun nga, yung binabasa ko. The brand is called Acid Brew. Acid Brew, Fukushima Peach Chuhai. The alcohol percent is 5% alcohol by volume. And ang flavors niya, ang ingredients niya ay peaches, vodka, high fructose corn syrup, carbonic acid, acidulant, and flavoring. Chuhai. What is chuhai? Chuhai is made from what? What does it mean? Ano ibig sabihin ng chuhai? Soju highball. Doon ang galing yung salitang chuhai. Soju highball. Soju highball is a Japanese cocktail na pinagmi-mix nila yung juices or iced tea with some liquors. Right? Kaya soju. Usually soju ang nilalagay. Soju, tapos tinatawag nilang soju highball. Kasi literally, ginagamit nila yung mga matataas na baso. Kaya highball ang tawag doon.
Di ba ang soju is Korean?
Soju is also Japanese.
We?
Actually, Japanese and Korea are very closely related culturally. Lahat ng cultures ng Korea are also cultures ng Japan. Japanese yan. They're highly connected. Korea and Japan.
What's the difference of soju and sake?
It's magkaibang liquor, magkaibang alcoholic drink. I don't know exactly. Sake is made from rice. Rice wine.
Oh.
Soju, I don't know. Saan ba gawa ang soju? Let me know in the comments down below kung ano ang ingredients ng soju. Alam ko kasi ang sake is rice. What is soju?
Pero mas nakilala ang soju as Korean. Diba?
Let's see. Let's search right now. What kind of alcohol is soju?
Oh, white rice din.
Traditionally, is fermented white rice with a crisp flavor, a little apple, and sometimes a touch of burnt rice. Soju is often called the Korean vodka.
Si Korean.
The origin of soju dates back to the 13th century Goryeo.
Goryo.
When the Korean, introduced to the Korean peninsula during the Mongol invasions by the Yuan Mongols, who had acquired the technique of distilling the arak from the Persians. Their invasions from Levant. History of soju. So, Mongols pala ang original na gumagawa ng soju. Chuhai is Japanese. Ayan o. Chuhai is an abbreviation of soju highball. Oh, kaya nga.
So, what is soju nga?
Soju is also soju.
Really?
Pareho lang yan. Magkaiba lang ang pronunciation. Soju and soju is the same. Is soju and soju the same? Pareho lang. Soju and soju is extremely similar. However, soju is a Japanese spirit whereas soju is a Korean spirit. But they do have things in common such as the fact that they can be made from the same base ingredients of rice, barley, and sweet potato.
O kaya nga, so, Japanese lang. Yung isa is Korean.
Yes.
Ay, kaya sabi
It's the
mo
same.
kanina,
Kaya nga, soju highball. Pareho lang. Anyway, so yun ang origin ng chuhai. Let's open it. At kailangan mag-away bago magbukas ng inumin. Hindi ko mabuksan. Yes. Ito, game. Let's see the color. Ang bango niya. Amoy peach. So this looks like parang vinegar na malabo. Look at that. So it's whitish with a little tint of yellow. Pero sobrang labo, sobrang hazy niya. Ang bango siya. Amoy peach. Amoy juice. Cheers.
Uy, mamatay ka!
This is so much better than
Then, then what?
than yung that first chuhay na ininom natin.
Yeah, it's very drinkable kasi nga it's
Ready-made.
ready-made na, it's pre-made na. Parang kang bumili ng Jack Coke na nasa can na. Of course, pag umorder ka ng Jack Coke sa bar or sa restaurant, they have their own mix. Diba? Sometimes it's inconsistent. Sometimes mas marami yung Jack. Sometimes masyadong matamis. It's inconsistent. Pero pag bumili ka or pag tumikip ka ng ready-made na cocktail like this, it's leaning more towards the more pleasant to drink. Mas matamis. More drinkable. Hindi ko masyado nalalasahan yung alcohol. Actually, hindi ko nga malalasahan yung alcohol at all. Parang ka lang umiinom ng juice.
Yeah, katatapos sabay mamaya, mahihilo ka na lang.
Yun ang problema dyan. It's traidor. Okay, next. This is lemon flavored chuhai. This is also 5%.
Yes.
5% ABV. Ang ingredients niya ay kawachi late. What is kawachi late? Citrus juice, vodka, high fructose corn syrup, carbonic acid, acidulant, and flavoring. What is kawachi?
What is Astor Island Gold? Is it a type of lemon?
Siguro, Aster Island Gold Chuhai. Mas yellow siya kaysa dun sa isa. Oh, parang ihi. It's like pee. Look.
No.
Looks like pee of a healthy person. Okay, ikaw.
No, it's cloudy.
Cloudy nga. So, hindi healthy.
Hindi healthy.
So, anong flavor to? Lemon. Orange. No, not lemon. It's orange.
Kaya ang tinatanong ko sa'yo eh.
Cheers.
Oh, get!
Amoy dalandan. Tingnan mo.
Yes, dalandan ang amoy niya.
Pero bakit yellow?
Let's taste it. It's dalandan.
Maasim.
Oo nga, kasi it's dalandan. Parang mga juice lang, hindi ko malasahan yung alcohol. But it's what? Vodka? Vodka yung alcohol niya, but I don't taste the alcohol at all. Wala siyang lasang vodka. That's why it's dangerous. Kasi hindi mo namamalayan na napaparami na palang inom mo. Masarap. Lasang juice. But you know, I can taste the artificialness of the flavors. I guess it's the fructose acids.
Fructose is sugar.
Oo nga. High fructose corn syrup, carbonic acid.
Pero ang soju is how many percent?
I don't know. Iba-iba rin yata. Iba-iba. I don't know. Usually it's about...
Pure.
Ha?
Pure.
Parang gin? Soju is ano?
Kala ko ba ang soju is Korean vodka? Oh.
I don't know. Siguro parang mga ano yan. Proof yan eh. Pagka ganyang liquor, it's not ABV, it's proof. Like for example, ang Ginebra San Miguel, it's gin. It's
80%?
80 proof. It's not percent, it's proof. 80 proof ba or 60 proof? Or 40 proof? Let's see here.
Yata yun.
This is gin, Ginebra San Miguel. Ilang proof yan? Ayun no, 80 proof. 80 proof pala ang gin. Ang,
Kapitbahay natin.
ano?
Ha?
Yung kapitbahay natin.
Nagiinuman sila.
Oh,
Tapos, yan ang lagi nila iniinom.
gin. 4 cantos.
4 cantos.
Oh, and then, ginudge mo.
Hindi.
Ano yung gusto mong sabihin kung ano? Ano ngayon kung 4 kantos ang iniinom nila?
Sa kanila nang galing yung kalakal ko.
Hiningi mo ba?
Hindi.
O ninakaw mo lang? Ninakaw mo yung bote nila?
Dito na sa basurahan eh.
Ninakaw mo yung basura nila, yung bote nila?
Sa basurahan.
Tapos mapapanood nila itong episode na to. Malalaman nila.
Nanonood sila.
Ha? Malay mo, they're fans of the Clueless Bartender channel.
They don't.
Cheers to that. By the way, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, did you see my segue? If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. I really appreciate it. Thank you for doing that. Cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers. Did you know where the word alak came from?
Oh my God.
Alak is Arabic from the root word arak. It's Arabic.
Nakakaano natin na arak?
Oo nga, it's Arabic arak. It's how Middle East.
Hindi ba kanina
Arabic.
yung tinitingnan natin is Persians?
Oo nga, Middle East. Arabic, the Arabic word arak. It means alcoholic fermented beverages. For some reason, nadala sa Philippines yung term na arak. I forgot. Nabasa ko na yan somewhere kung how or who brought it here in the Philippines. The Filipinos adopted the word arak to mean alcoholic drinks. So, dahil hindi magaling magsalita ng letter R yung mga Pinoy dati nung araw. That was way before I think before Spanish era discovery. Before Spanish era pa.
Mga Negrito, Indonesia, at saka ano yung last one?
I forgot.
Tatlo yun, di ba? Negrito, Indonesia, at saka Malay.
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 So that word was brought here by the Persians or by the Middle Easterns. Arak. Tapos tinawag ng mga Pilipino na alak.
Much history.
Therefore, pag may arak, may... Anyway, what is our next alak? Our next alak natin ay... Ito yung soju na na oolong tea. Mataas pala to, 6%. This is 6% ABV. Takara,
Ano,
Takara soju with oolong tea ingredients. Soju, oolong tea, and vitamin C. So, dalawa lang ang ingredients niya. Wala siyang chemical ingredients. It's just soju and oolong tea. Anyway, I don't know what to expect na lasa nitong oolong tea.
Oolong, does that mean it's brown?
Let's see. It's tea, so
Hindi ba dapat brownish yun?
I don't know. Okay, it's clear. Look,
It's not cloudy.
tatakpan ka. Yeah, it's clear. Kulay beer. Parang golden brew.
Kala ko sasabihin mo mukhang wiwi ng may
Mukhang
kidney
ihi
problem.
kasi may madugo-dugo. Joke.
Hindi. Brownish na.
Brownish na ihi. No, it looks more like beer than chuhay.
Pero hindi bubbly. Walang head.
Wala siyang bubbles. Parang konti lang ang carbonation. Parang wala kang carbonation eh. Hindi siya carbonated.
We?
Oh? I barely see
Meron.
bubbles.
Meron pa rin. O, tingnan mo.
Oh, yeah.
Ayun, meron o.
Okay. Drink it. Cheers. Oolong tea.
Smells like tea. Ano, lasang tea?
Hindi siya masarap.
Baka hindi ka lang kasi mahilig sa tea. Oh, tea na may alcohol.
Kaya nga. And I don't think it blends well. I don't like it. Hindi siya masarap. Nakaka-confuse ng mind. It tastes like tea, but matabang na tea. Matabang siya na tea.
Hindi. Ang tea naman talaga is, lasang tea talaga siya.
Oo, pero there's something wrong with it. I don't know. It's 6%? 6% yan?
Yeah. For a tea drinker, it's lasang tea. Purely.
Wala akong malasahang alcohol. At
Yeah, kaya nga. So,
But, nawiwirdohan ako.
hindi mo ni iisipin na uminom ka ng alcoholic na drink.
Any kind of alcoholic beverage, parang there's some pleasant feeling about drinking it. This one, no. I don't feel any pleasant. Parang, the immediate thought na pumasok sa isip ko is, why the hell am I drinking this? This tastes like, I don't like it.
Why would you want to drink tea na may lasang, na may alcohol?
No, I cannot. I don't like it. Do you like it?
Kung kung iba mindset mo sa utak mo na it's tea, yeah, it's tea.
At least ako, I like drinking tea. Let's say
Hindi,
iced
sanay
tea
ka kasi sa tea na merong halo.
na may pampatamis.
Oo, na may pampatamis, either may lemon or merong sugar or may honey.
I'm sorry,
Pero
I
kung
don't like
purely tea, may bitterness eh.
it. Okay. Ayoko na inumin.
Eh, paano yan? Yung last one is also tea. It's green tea.
It's also soju green tea, the last one. But, I'm dreading it. I don't like it.
Parang feeling ko ako lang iinom lahat ng may tea ah.
Here's your tea. Cheers. Have you ever tasted this kind of drink? It's oolong soju. Soju na oolong tea. Did you like it? Let me know down in the comments if you liked it. And if you liked it, that means you're weird. You're a weird person if you like this. Okay, for the last can. This is also soju, pero green tea ang flavor niya. I'm guessing, baka hindi ko rin magustuhan ito. I'm kinda dreading tasting this. I'm not a tea person, siguro. Siguro I'm not a tea person. Huh?
You're a coffee person.
Yeah. Are you a tea person?
I'm more of a 3-in-1 coffee person. Pero tea, I don't mind.
Okay, anyway, let's open this and let's see kung anong lasa nitong green tea.
Before mo binuksan, before mo i-pour, sabi ko,
Oh.
is it color green? Sasabi ko, bakit mo mag-color green? Eh, ang green tea din naman is not
It's not green.
green.
It's called Takara Soju with rich green tea. It's only 4% alcohol by volume. And ang ingredients niya ay soju and green tea. Let's see. Oh, it's green nga! Look!
Oh, see?
It's greenish. There's a faint leafy smell sa kanya.
This is the oolong.
That's oolong. This is green tea. Pareho siyang soju. Taste it. God damn it, I don't like it. Why? Who drinks that? I don't get it. Hindi ko gets. Bakit? Hindi ko gets pa ano yung combination ng tea
Na-offset ako sa smell.
and alcohol. Ha?
Inamoy ko, di ba?
Oh.
Tapos ang pumapasok sa isip ko is aquarium smell.
Paano naging aquarium smell?
Tignan mo, amoy mo.
Ano yun?
It smells like, alam mo yung... Hindi mo naamoy. Parang smell ng... Alam mo nung ano, yung aquarium tapos natin sipong.
Chemical. No.
Sipong. No.
Pagong.
Oo, pagong natin. So, yun.
We used to have a pet turtle called named Pongpagong. Named after, of course, Pongpagong. Shout out sa mga 80s and 90s kids. Cheers.
Batibot.
From Batibot days.
This is weird. For someone who likes green tea, this is weird. Parang mas lasang yung... Mas lasa yung alcohol kesa dun sa green tea.
So you don't like it?
I prefer the oolong.
I don't get why this is a thing. Tea na merong alcohol. It's not for me. I'm sorry. It's kind of disgusting for me, to be honest. Nakaka-gag reflex.
Really?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Ako ayoko nung amoy nito. And ayoko din masyado ng taste.
Anyway, how much is this? 100?
Mahal. Less than 150 kasi naka-sale siya.
So, one can is around 130 to 140 pesos. This is from Landers, Japanese festival. Let me know down in the comments if you like these kinds of drinks. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Oh, wait.